All right, welcome back to Budget Noob. Here we're going to start implementing what we learned about net versus gross payments. I'm going to skip a couple of columns over here and select this column and call it income. I'm going to go down a couple of columns, and this is going to end up being just a bar. And then this one, two, three, fourth column is going to be my first. Let's just put it as such date column. We can go through and change all those dates, but the general idea here for this video is we want to go to the top, choose our bar. Since it's money, I like to make it green. I do a lighter color green. You can make whatever you want. And then I will make a header, which is going to be a darker green. And then generally, I'll have a couple of those listed. So I can do a couple recurring months worth of payments. I'm also going to go ahead and give this a border. So throughout this, I'm going to go to the top to this dotted square. And I'm going to put all borders. And then, so if you get paid weekly, you can put in weekly. Or if you get paid bi-monthly, you can put in bi-monthly. But generally, for these purposes, I was getting paid weekly, so I'm going to put that in there for you. And you can go up here and change your formatting if you like to different formats as it sees on screen. But there we go. From here, we're going to, similar to how we did before, take your sum, and I'm going to put your sum total down here at the bottom. So this is going to be equal equal sum parenthesis. Then you can drag all of those and put it end parentheses, and then it'll add up all of your sums. So say it was like 545 that I made on a check. I could have all those items here, and that is where you're going to get your total net payment. We're going to do some more with this in the next video, but you need to have the basis of your columns built out so that it is all ready to add up and go. Thank you for watching this video, and we will continue to build budgets one video at a time. Great to have you.